you something else though.
Oh!
Can
Look
you
and see!
Oh, what are those?
Look at that! Look!
There's another one that's bigger.
Oh!
There are two birds right here.
Right here. Look at
Look at them. Look at them.
Mommy! This parrot has a
Come here. Come to daddy. I'll show you something. Yeah, baby. Aditi, come here.
What is that? You're so cute!
Aditi, come here. I'll show you something.
Daddy will show you something, baby.
A mosquito!
Oh, there's another blue birdie. Why is he so angry?
Vito, come here. Can you see the blue bird? Here. To the daddy. Come here. Come here. Okay.
Oh!
You see it? Yeah?
He's like, why? Why are you looking at me like that? The bird. There's two others. Oh, that scared me.
There is a big bird coming. Here.
Is that a flamingo?
Oh, what is this?
Vito.
What is it then?
Aditi.
Ah,
Aditi. Aditi, flamingo, come here.
what is this?
Aditi. Aditi.
Daddy is showing you flamingo. Yeah, there is a pink bird over there. Daddy got a pink bird. Flamingo over there. One is on the tree up there. Maybe one over there or just another one. Yes, mother also down there, so let's Hatu. Hatu, hatu. Coconut. I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay.
That is hot. Hiding. It's inside the tree but hiding. Oh. What is this? What is this, Flower Daddy? I have no idea. It looks like I have no idea. It does not have the definition.
It smells.
Beautiful.
Aditi, you wanna smell tree flower? Ansu wanna smell? Oh, come on. It smells interesting. Come on.
Oh, there comes the air.
Come on.
There comes the air.
No, Ma, the air's right here too.
Okay.
Come on, come on.
No, 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 hit it. Let's go.
Oh,
Oh, there is a...
flower.
I can imagine you having a garden like this.
Yep.
Tree. Oh, good. I like it.
We're gonna go down. Oh, look at the bats. Oh, what is that? Looks like a bat, but why does it look like that? Over there inside the net, Eddie.
That's the bat, Mama.
Why is it walking like that?
You want to see that? Okay, come on.
Aren't you? One is hanging right here.
You can see our white-faced sucker right there. We don't want to get too close, and when we're walking by, we just want to stay on the right side of
Okay.
the way.
Look at that. Right here. Don't go too close, okay?
Yeah, we don't want to get too close to him. You see his white face? His name is a white-faced saki monkey. Yeah.
You see that too.
You see bats too? Oh
These are
yeah.
Rodriguez fruit bats.
You saw a poison straw. It's like a straw.
These guys have super big wingspans. Not the largest in the world, but they are pretty big. Scratching himself. He's so silly, isn't he?
You wanna go play with them?
No.
Thank you very much.
Oh, look at that trolley. Oh,
Come walk,
As
Laura.
we get a little bit closer, I'm gonna make sure we stay kind of in the middle of the walkway.
Okay, come on.
This way,
Just
this
want to
way.
make sure our monkey friends get their personal space.
Okay. Yes, that's the thing.
We're gonna come over here,
In
okay?
the middle, okay?
You
We're
don't
gonna
wanna
walk
get
from the
closer?
middle. Yeah, he needs a space.
Oh, there is another one sleeping.
Oh, there needs a space. He's sleeping. Look at this sleeping too.
Yeah.
Oh?
There's a giant ant.
leaf color ant.
Also found the big.
Oh, she's staying right there. No climbing. Let's go. Go in the sand. Oh, let's go inside. It's hot. Push. Oh. Okay, good. Cloud. Are there clouds? Do you wanna go to the forest floor or you wanna explore this first?
I'm gonna explore this first.
Well, we did go to the forest floor. Ma, the forest floor is the main, I think. And there's the bottom one too. No, no. Oh,
Slow down, Aditi. Baby.
oh, Ma, look the frog. Oh, there's a corner.
Where's the frog?
It's right in the corner.
Right there.
Oh, towards the corner, the green one.
Daddy, I see a frog,
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, I see too. It's so small, huh?
Iguana? This kind of bird.
That poison
You
frog?
can wipe it out.
Poison that for?
It's from there.
Ew! You don't eat that poison frog. You're so
Oh, I think it's
We
gone.
don't eat frog.
He's there.
What?
Oh,
Where?
right on the top. Look at that. Oh,
I need to go see. I need to go up there. I
iguana.
need to see them.
I cannot lift you. My hands are crazy.
Oh, what is?
Oh, it's right there. The yellow one. Look this. Did you see the golden frog?
Panamanian golden frog.
Funny.
Panamanian. No, you don't see it?
It's on the rock. Look at the rocks.
Rock down on the ground.
Did you see the rocks? Right over there. Big giant rock. Did you see the yellow color frog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a yellow frog. Look at some more.
Oh, yeah.
These are the hunting magic. This is a fruit tree or something. Hunting magic, it says. Are you doing magic too? Oh, so snakes. There's a rat snake.
It's a golden snake.